Hello, I'm Tiffany. It's been beautiful here in California. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful summer wreath. It's colorful and has seashells, starfish, and shells and seagulls. It's a different color. It's gorgeous. It's been nice. Okay, so before I started, I'm gonna explain to you what we need. Glue. I like glitter glue because it sticks really well, and also scissors and the double-sided tape, and you might need crazy glue. Yes. Okay, let's start.
Hold it lightly and mark the center. This is going to be the center of the long strips. Do the same for the other strips of the strips, both, and just mark it and hold it a little bit, and just the striped one should be cross it over to the plain one, and this is the center of the strip of the plain one. So just about a ½ inch to the left, just hold like this, and the strips just make a loop to the front and underneath of the plain one, go like this. So then hold the center. This is the center from the back, and this is the plain one. It's all the way in the back, then over the vertical stripe one, under the next stripe one. So then just pull this stripe one, so then make the shape. So then turn it over. So make it easier, I'm gonna put C and D. So make it easier. So then you need to bend A between B and C, like this, B and C, right? So then just about, exact like a center of between B and C. This is A. And B goes between C and D. The center goes like this. Okay. And next, C goes over. This is B. And line B. Haha. Okay, so then A under A. This is A, right? Yep. D goes underneath of A. Okay. All right. Here we go again. A, B, C, D. A goes between B and C. B goes C and D. C goes over B, and D goes underneath of A. This is the sequence. I mean, you have to remember this. So because you keep doing this until the end. So just go there again, okay? A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm gonna put this again, okay, to make it understand easily. A goes B and C. It's long, so you really need to control it. You know where it goes. So this is A, and B goes between C and D, and C goes over B, almost like A and C, like almost like in a parallel, so it goes like that. So then the end, the D goes, can you guess? Under A, yes. D goes under A. Okay, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna do that quickly. A goes B and C. B goes C and D. And C goes over B. And D goes under A. First one. All right. Okay, I want to show you how to make a nice and beautiful loop. So as always, starting A, right? So then when you make a loop, just to, make a small loop, like about a 1/4 inch space. So then go like the other one and do this to the other strips as well. Put at the end. Yep, as you can see, this space makes beautiful wreaths, you see? So don't bend all the way. So then it's gonna be flat, so it doesn't make any beautiful loop. So just push and just maybe hold using your tip of your finger, and that makes easier to make a loop, just like this, right? Okay, just hold it. Make a loop. And so then you have to keep doing this until you can make like maybe 15 inches long. So then we're gonna move on to the next instruction, okay? All right, once you finished, like one of the strip leaves only an inch or so, that's you have to stop it and cut about an inch, an inch, an inch, and leave the excess amount of strips on the side, and just make wreath to just adjust, like pull it so it makes even. So then hold it. So that's what you're gonna make a wreath. So then just put it, so then you see the line is gonna match. So then this line goes there, right? And this line goes there. So in order to make it easier, you have to cut angle the edge just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, shape. All right, so then hold it. All right, okay, so it goes there. So then just put glue. Or one side or either side, so just just bend a little bit, and the next one goes there. It's waiting here, so you don't have to look for that space, but it's there. So just push, just tuck it in. And the bottom one is a little bit harder, but you can manage to just bend and just tuck it in. All right, so then last one, you have to put it there. The excess amount of strip, just cut like maybe 3 to 4 inches, and cut in half. Just hold in half, just lightly, and hold it. So then you remember the top that we just tuck it in. So one side there's a space, so just push, tuck it in again. Okay, just push it a little bit deeper, about 1/2 inch or so, to make shape. That's probably good enough. Okay, maybe a little bit shorter. So then just put glue on this side, you know, we just put the hook. That side is going to be the back, so just push like you know, hold it. Once you finish the wreath part, so you need to work on the seagulls. Here we go. Draw 2 wings using a pencil on the strip. You need to make 2 seagulls, so using 2 white strips, create the 2 seagulls. So then after you draw the wings and cut the shape of the wings of seagull. And then next, we need to put double-sided tape the back of the shell. We have 2 kinds of shells and 1 starfish, so then do the same, you know, so just put the double-sided tape onto the back of the shells and the starfish as well. This is fun part. You can put all the shells and the starfish anywhere you want it on the wreath, but I'm gonna be a little creative. So okay, now we're gonna put seagull on the wreath and put the glue at the back of the seagull, just a little bend, like a little bit natural. So then put it there. Okay, voila. And also doesn't stick well, so that's the case, you need to use like a super glue and just put it directly. Okay, so then just put it there. So it's completed. It's beautiful. You finished. Thank you. You can buy this material using this QR code. Thank you.